Tips for ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goals within an organization. Clear goal communication. Ensure everyone understands the organization's goals and how their work connects to them. Leadership alignment. Ensure leaders are united in their commitment to the goals, serving as role models for the rest of the team. Regular check-ins. Schedule frequent meetings to discuss progress, clarify doubts, and address deviations from the shared goals. Transparent metrics. Use clear and shared metrics to track progress towards the goals, making it easy for everyone to see how they contribute. Collaborative planning. Involve team members in setting goals and action plans, encouraging a sense of ownership and commitment. Feedback loop. Create an environment where open feedback is welcomed, helping to fine-tune actions and align with goals. Skill development. Provide training to ensure everyone has the skills to contribute effectively to the shared goals. Recognition and rewards. Implement a system that celebrates and rewards behaviors that drive the organization towards its objectives. Adaptation and flexibility. Be open to adjusting goals if circumstances change, while keeping the team informed and involved. Celebrating milestones. Acknowledge achievements along the way, reinforcing the importance of everyone's efforts in achieving the shared goals.